Understanding the phrase, young priest, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, young priest. This is an interesting expression in the English language that can carry different connotations based on the context. Let's dive in to understand this phrase better. The phrase, young priest, literally refers to a priest who is young in age. A priest is a religious leader authorized to perform sacred rituals in some branches of Christianity. The word, young, here signifies that the individual is relatively new or youthful in their role. This section will help you understand the literal interpretation of the phrase. In a figurative sense, young priest can have varied interpretations. It might symbolize innocence, naivety, or a fresh perspective in certain contexts. In literature or films, a young priest character might represent a clash between traditional beliefs and modern thinking. This section will explore these deeper meanings and cultural references. Understanding how to use young priest in sentences is crucial for English learners. We'll go through several examples demonstrating both literal and figurative uses. This practical approach will help you feel more confident in using the phrase in your own conversations or writing. English language learners might face certain pitfalls while using this phrase. We'll address common mistakes such as incorrect contexts or literal interpretations when a figurative one is intended. This section aims to refine your understanding and usage of young priest. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the phrase, young priest, and how it can be used in different contexts. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its nuances and varied interpretations. Keep practicing, and you'll master these subtleties in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.